Dear student, today I will I will tell you something more about satellites. Many students arising most of question related to satellites, that how it launch and what are the current satellite that is launched by ISRO, that is our Indian Space Research Organization. So we will see the some satellites and its working. So latest satellites is SSLV, or many satellites is available. These satellites, first of all, one question is arising here: why we will use these satellites? Because we want to give some concepts related to our satellites, that it is used to launching the satellites, like communication satellites and many more satellites that is used by our scientists. It is launched in different orbits of our Earth. So we will see that LEO, like lower Earth orbit, or SEO, synchronous orbit, and so on. Today, due to these science and invention, most of the satellites are launched by different organizations also, like NASA also launched different satellites, and so on. Many organizations launch different satellites. Today I will give you basic concept of the main contribution of our ISRO related to the current invention of these launching vehicles, satellites like SSLV. It is a vehicles that is used for launching the satellites. So we are giving you some basic concept like SSLV. In short, it is small satellites launched vehicles. It is an indigenously developed and designed to carry small communication satellites into LEO, that is low Earth orbit. Our Earth is here, so from these orbits, LEO, in these satellites is placed and continuously it works, and it has the capacity and the capability to launch up to 500 kg satellites mass into 500 kilometer low Earth orbit, that is LEO, low Earth orbit. What are its significance of SSLV? This is the synergy between space sector and the private sector, and no piggyback rights. Multiple satellites can be accommodated. Least amount of infrastructure are required. Least amount of infrastructure requirement. Now you have to know something more about these SSLV satellites, that what went wrong with these satellites which is launched by ISRO. In these satellites there is a problem that, as per ISRO, due to the guide or the glitch caused by a malfunctioning sensor, the satellites were placed in an elliptical orbits rather than the planned circular orbits around the earth. So these satellites is launched rather than planned circular, it is an elliptical orbit satellites, and there, see here, it is a figure of SSLV satellites which is launched by ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. It works on 3 stages. Here it is the first stage, it is the second stage, and it is the third stage. It divides into many segments in, and after that it vanishes. The second stage, it works continuously. After that it vanishes. Then third stage. After that it launches the satellites successfully. After that, something know about it, when these satellites are launched by our country. One question is rising here. This satellite is launched by our country on 9th of August 2022. 9th August, 7th August, sorry, 7th August 2022. 7th August 2022. It is launched from Satish Dhawan Space Center at Sriharikot. All solid stage on SSLV is very important, so know it very well. And many other satellites launching vehicles are like GSLV. It means geosynchronous satellites launched vehicles. Geosynchronous, very heavy amount of satellite and number of satellite is launched here. So at first time these GSLV satellite was launched on 18 April 2001. 18 April 2001, keep it in your mind that GSLV first time it was launched on 18th April. After that SSLV it is launched on 7th August 2022. And PSLV is your polysatellite launched vehicles. PSLV, it is your polysatellite launched vehicles. There are many satellite that is launched by ISRO, our space organization, Indian Space Research Organization, and currently I am telling you about, learn it well, that on February 28, 2021 it was launched, the satellites. After that February 14, 2022, and currently June 30, 2022. These PSLV, poly satellite launched vehicles, in which 3 satellite is launched by our country on June 30, 2022 from Satish Dhawan Space Center at Sriharikota. Many type of satellites are launched by these vehicles, and it is helpful in launching the satellites. So also keep it in your mind that. And after that I will give you some basic concept about INS Vikrant. You have to learn it very well. INS Vikrant, it is a Stopar technology, and currently it is designed by the Indian Navy Directorate of Naval Design, that is D&D, Directorate of Naval Design, and built at Cochin Shipyard Limited. Its feature a short takeoff but arrested recovery, STOBAR, that is with these technology, Stopar technology, it recovers or it arrested. It is used by Indian Navy in ocean to launching the different types of missile from here, and it launches here missile. It is INS Vikrant. Here second version is, that is INS Virat. These two are originally built by the British, and later it is acquired by India. So these are very important, and it is very useful for our Indian Navy, and it is the flagship aircraft of the Indian Navy. So it is also very important. Keep it in your mind that it is the great invention of our Indian Navy, that is INS Vikrant and INS Virat. Also keep it in your mind. And many type of satellite is launched. I will give you some basic concept related to these type of science and innovations. So like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.